Hey guys, Danny Martinez here, EMP Laser. Today is game day. We got tons of lasers coming in. We're super excited about it. Hey, while they're doing all this, why don't we go show them our Crossover? That's the machine that can do both pipe and flat cutting in one unit. And if you guys are just tuning in and you don't know about EMP Laser, we're your premier sourcing partner for high-end fabrication equipment. We're not like anyone else. We really go all out. We visit all the factories, we vet all the companies, and only the premier lasers get our label on them. This is probably a really nice unit to demonstrate it on. This is our 3015 Crossover. We call it the Crossover because it goes from flat to pipe all in one unit. Let's show them what we got.
Let's do it. On the left side here, we're actually cutting some square tubing, so the same laser head can traverse from sheet metal to tubing as well. Most combo machines have 2 chucks in them. It helps keep the material in line and also helps with the rotation as well. If we're happy with that, we can go ahead with the cutting parameters here, and we're ready to start. Once we're done cutting our square profile or tubes on the combo machine, we can quickly convert it back into sheet metal mode.
All right, while Lex working on that file, I want to talk about a couple features that I particularly like about this machine. One of them being that exchange table. If you guys aren't familiar with that, that's a second platform behind the laser that allows you to load and unload without interrupting your progress. It practically doubles your productivity. The second feature I really like is edge seek. So once that material is in, you don't have to worry about trying to straighten it out or trying to keep it square in the machine. The laser head actually goes and seeks the edges. It knows how to orient the artwork right away in the software to whatever angle that sheet is sitting in the machine.
Over here, we've got our finished EMP logo ready to cut. We added small micro joints. These can be added within Sipe Cut. You'll see that there's 2 cameras on the very top of my screen here. We want to make sure that there's no activity in these areas and that everyone's clear from both the work area as well as the laser itself. Let's go ahead and make this cut. These are the micro joints we were talking about earlier. They help the metal stay within the file, and they're really easy to break off. This is our finished product, and as you can see, our edge quality is beautiful.
I never get tired of looking at that edge quality. But it looks like the boys are done. Let's go see what we got. Ah, yes, this is exactly what I wanted. Man, I'm so pumped about these, Lex. You know, one of the biggest things I like about these new EMP lasers, to be honest, is the price point. We know that a couple years ago, most people couldn't get into one of these. And now the price of lasers is more affordable than ever. You know, we've got all kinds of configurations now. We got the big flatbeds, and they range in different sizes. You know, that compact can get really, really tiny. I want that in my garage. You know, I can see everyone just cutting metal now. Anyone else that's interested, if you liked anything you saw here, emplaser.com is our website. You can check out all the products we offer there. If you want a price quote from us, we have beautiful proposals. We show you every single detail on each machine, the fume extractors, the air compressors. We have the whole package, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. See you on the next one.